Right, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and show you September and how I'm working in this planner. This is just going to be a quick overhead view of this because I've already written some stuff on here. And once again, guys, after your monthly page, there is a blank page to do whatever you want. Whatever you want. Maybe I can write down my goals for this month, things I want to do this month, things I want to accomplish. Maybe I just want to draw and decorate these pages. I haven't figured it out yet. What I want to do with that page. And then there's my first week, September 1st. I told y'all before, it starts on a Monday. That's the only throw off to this planner, but I'm getting used to it. September 1st through the 7th. So Sunday is on the end. And you can kind of write down everything also that you need to do during the week besides on that front page. Okay. You get another blank page, so they give you enough space to really write or do whatever you want. And then here's Monday, and I'm gonna decorate and show y'all how I'm gonna do it. So hold on. All right, guys, so let's get into it. So this is Monday, and I just put some stickers on Monday. I don't really have nothing I could show y'all because I have been journal. I'll show y'all. Anyways, I've been journaling a lot, okay? So I'm leaving myself a lot of space to write. All right? So that's Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. And I like these things because I can just jot little things down there. I stopped with these because I can never get these things. I think it's my nails. I can never get these things to line up right. So I just stopped right there. I may add something else to this page. This is Thursday. I do my midweek cleaning on Thursday. I know that sounds crazy, but I do a lot of midweek cleaning on Thursday. So that's why I put the little lady there. And then this is Friday. Now, I do wish this was lined, but on some other pages, I just draw my own lines. But I also like the concept of I can write sideways. I can write this way. I can make it creative. I don't always have to write in a straight line. And I think that this planner is helping me to realize that. Like, I can just write going diagonal if I want to. You know what I'm saying? So I haven't done Saturday and Sunday yet because most of the time, this is not the book I journal in on Saturday and Sunday. This is the book I journal in during the week when I'm at work. It's normally in the car. The book that I journal in on Saturdays and Sundays is by my nightstand. So I don't really decorate Saturday and Sunday, but I'm just showing it to you guys. And then we go into the next week, which the next week is going to be the 8th through the 14th. So I'll come back when I decorate the 8th through the 14th. So let me know what y'all think, because so far I feel like this is it. I feel like this is the journal for me. This is a journal for me, and I am absolutely loving it.